Hello welcome guys. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to replace search box with search icon in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to replace search box with search icon in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, right click in taskbar area, click on search, and here option show search icon. So click it. That is. So guys, this is very simple. Click first right click in search bar area, taskbar area. After click on search and click on show search icon. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching this video.